If you own this MacBook, Apple is offering to replace its battery for free. Apple has announced it's replacing the batteries on some MacBook Pros, and here's how to check if your laptop is affected. Apple is replacing the batteries on some MacBook Pros after the discovery of an issue which can cause the battery to expand. The affected laptops are Apple's MacBook Pro model, without Touch Bar, which were manufactured between October 2016 and October 2017. A post on the U.S. technology firm's website confirmed the problem, saying, Apple has determined that, in a limited number of 13-inch MacBook Pro, non-Touch Bar units, a component may fail, causing the built-in battery to expand. The program covers affected MacBook Pro models for 5 years after the first retail sale of the unit. The company is keen to point out that this is not a safety issue and all replacements will be performed free of charge. If you own a new MacBook Pro, then you can check if it's eligible for a replacement battery by visiting Apple's website and entering the product serial number. You can find the battery page here. The news comes as anticipation grows about the possible launch of a new MacBook in the coming months. Rumors are rife that the hugely popular MacBook Air is about to get a refresh with new features and updated design. To add to this speculation, reliable technology analyst Ming-Chi Kuo of KGI Securities has claimed the MacBook Air is in the works and could arrive with a lower price tag. The new notebook is purportedly scheduled to arrive sometime during the second quarter of 2018. Apple first debuted its MacBook Air range in January 2008. With the late Steve Jobs famously pulling the laptop from a manila office envelope on stage with a flourish. The original MacBook Air, which Apple claimed was the thinnest laptop in the world, only had a single USB port. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, who has a solid track record when it comes to predicting unreleased Apple hardware, the 2018 MacBook Air model will have a 13-inch display as previous models. If this MacBook does launch, it could follow a trend of cheaper devices arriving from Apple. The firm has just released its brilliant new 2018 iPad, which adds extra power for less money, and there's numerous reports which suggest a lower-cost iPhone X will launch later in the year.